Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're discussing a major development in the tech space, where Apple has expanded its self-service repair program to Europe. Let's dive in. According to CNBC, Apple's self-service repair program, known as Apple Diagnostics for self-service repair, is now available in 32 European countries, including the UK, France, and Germany. The program allows consumers to test products for optimal parts functionality and identify parts that may need repair without assistance from Apple or an independent repair provider. This expansion is significant, as it marks a major milestone in Apple's efforts to provide consumers with more control over repairing their devices. The program was first launched in the US in December 2023 and has since supported 42 Apple products. I believe that this expansion is a positive step towards empowering consumers and reducing electronic waste. Apple's commitment to providing safe and affordable repair options is a testament to its dedication to sustainability. Imagine being able to repair your Apple device without having to rely on authorized repair shops. With Apple's self-service repair program, consumers now have more flexibility and control over their devices. Apple's expansion of its self-service repair program to Europe is a significant development in the tech space. It highlights the company's commitment to sustainability and empowering consumers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.